Today we will learn what things we should keep in mind while creating a newspaper in InDesign. First of all, go to the New File and select the A3 size preset. Then keep the units in centimeters. Keep the orientation portrait. You can keep as many pages as you want. I have taken only one here. If there are more than 2 pages, keep facing pages selected. Keep 7 or 8 columns, and you can set the rest of the details as you wish, but this will have to be kept permanent. Now click on Create, then a page like this will be shown to you. Now first of all, write the masthead of the newspaper that means the name of the newspaper. Create a text box with the Type tool and write the name of the newspaper. Then make a rectangle with the Rectangle tool and color it black. Then make a text box and fill in the remaining details of the newspaper. Then make another big text box for the headline and use Impact or Helvetica or News fonts. I have used Impact font here. Now press Ctrl+D and select the image and place it on one side. Now create a vertical text box here and type or paste your news. I have used default text here. Keep the news font Times New Roman for every news. Keep the paragraph style of the news justified. And if the news is hyphenated, then it is fine, but if it is not, then it will be better. Now write the headline of the second news, for which News 706 BT font has been used here. Write the news and place the image and then select the row bounding box text wrap. Write the headline of the third news in News 701 BT font. Now write the news and after placing the image, select the wraparound object-shaped text wrap. And in the same way I have made my own newspaper. You can put advertisements in your newspaper. If you want to make newspaper in any other language and you don't have the font, then go to your default browser. Search Google Fonts and click on the first site. And from here, you can get your favorite font. Go to Language and search your language, and you will get the results here. That's all for today. If you like the video, then do like and subscribe to the channel. GraphiX Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos.